Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you people are doing well. My friends, in this video I'm going to share with you one simple and effective tip which can help you to improve your past tense. And this is very common question by students. They always ask me this question, sir, how can I get command over past tense? I can make sentence in present, I can make sentence in future, but when I try to speak sentence in past tense, I commit a lot of grammar mistake. So please help me out. So with the help of this video, I'm going to share with you one simple effective tip which will definitely help you to improve your past tense. So just watch the video till the end. So my friends, you would have listened one sentence, grammar is the heart of language. Now what is the heart of grammar? Tenses are the heart of grammar. And in tenses, it is easy to get command over present tense, it is easy to get command over future tense, but when you try to get command over past tense, then you have to put a lot of efforts. Then you get totally confused. Why you get confused? Because in past tense you don't know where to use second form, where to use third form, where to use have been, where to use did. So you get totally confused, right? So what is the best strategy to improve your past tense? First of all, I would like to tell you one thing, that don't you ever try to learn all the grammar rules. You don't have to by heart all the grammar rules. It's not going to work. Now what you have to do, one simple practical tip which will definitely help you to improve your past tense. And my friends, before I share this tip with you, I would like to tell you that if your past is perfect, then I think you will not commit any grammar mistake in speaking English, right? Because most of the students make mistakes in past tense. So what is that tip? Would you like to know? Okay, I'm going to share with you. So just try to listen English stories in past. Quite simple, right? You just go on Google, you just go on YouTube and just read some stories in past, just listen some stories in past. This will really help you. I would suggest you every day read or listen at least 2 to 3 stories, which will definitely help you, my friends. And actually it was my strategy. When I started learning past tense, I also had same problem which you have. So what I did, I started reading English stories. I started listening English stories, and it helped me a lot. Now here one thing you have to keep in your mind, that if you are listening English stories, you have to understand 90%. Because if you are listening something or you're reading something and you're not getting anything, it's not going to help, right? I have already explained this tip in my listening rule. So just try to listen and read English stories, which will definitely help you. And after listening, after reading, you can also narrate a story. Like narrate a simple story, like there was a boy who was very hungry. He used to visit his friends and he used to ask for help to his friend, right? This is how you can learn past tense, right? And start from very basic level. I would not suggest you to read an English newspaper, because you will not understand the language. You have to start from foundation, right? So stories will help you a lot. The Hare and the Tortoise, the Lion and the Mouse, these are the stories which you used to read in first standard, right? You have to start from this, and when you will understand basic past tense, then definitely it will be so easy for you to speak sentences in past tense, right? See how easy it is for me, right? I'm not committing grammar mistake, I'm speaking fluently, I'm using past tense in my video, right? I don't have any problem in narrating any story or making sentences in past tense. So you can also have the same command if you start listening or reading English stories. So what you have to do, you have to start listening English stories on YouTube and read some stories on Google, and after listening these stories, you have to narrate these stories in your own words. This will really help you a lot. Just do it 15 to 20 days. After that, definitely you will feel the difference, and you will feel that your past tense is improving, right? So follow this simple step, definitely you will get command over past tense. And when your past will be clear, then definitely you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently without committing any grammar mistake, right? I hope you like this video, and I know that you are going to share this video with your friends and family, so they can also improve their English and they can also make their English fluent. Thanks a lot for watching.